Propolis, referred to as bee glue, it is used in the construction and maintenance of beehives. The function of propolis is to protect beehive from parasites and microbes. It also acts as a sealant for unwanted open spaces in the beehive. Reported health benefits related to propolis include improved immunity, lowered blood pressure, treated allergies and skin conditions. It may have anti-cancer activity. In general, raw propolis is composed of around 50% resins, 30% waxes, 10% essential oils, 5% pollen, and 5% of various organic compounds. Anti-inflammatory action. Propolis contains natural phenolic compounds, mainly flavonoids and phenolic acids, which have been attributed to its successful use as an anti-inflammatory and healing agent. Antioxidant activity. Polyphenols and flavonoids in propolis are powerful antioxidants, capable of scavenging free radicals and protecting the cell membrane against lipid peroxidation. Propolis can protect brain. It is more sensitive to free radical-induced damage because of its high use of oxygen, its high concentration of polyunsaturated fatty acids, and its low concentration of antioxidant molecules compared to other tissues. It may have role in prevention of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease and multiple sclerosis. Cardiovascular protection. The cardiovascular effects of propolis have been widely reported, although the underlying mechanisms have been poorly characterized. Probably it is related to antioxidant activity. Antimicrobial activity. Compounds within propolis appear to prevent bacterial cell division and cause dysfunction within the cytoplasm, thereby inactivating bacterial activity and growth. The flavonoid constituents of propolis are associated with antibacterial activity, the prominent ones including galagan, pinosembrin and pinostrobin. Similarly to antibacterial activity, there is a range of reported mechanisms for propolis antiviral activity. Historically, propolis has been used as a skin disinfection and directly on wounds to improve healing. Anti-tumor activity. Anti-cancer activity of propolis is observed in animal models, but no sufficient evidences for humans. Side effects. Propolis considered safe to use, but there is case described in which propolis was main cause of acute renal failure. So acute renal failure can be potential side effect. For humans, safe dose of propolis is 70 mg per day.